Did you know that your iPhone has a hidden map that shows you when and where it's going to rain or snow? And in this video, I'll show you how to find and use the iPhone Precipitation Map. Now let's get started. To find the hidden precipitation map on your iPhone, first open the Weather app. Then tap the map icon in the bottom left corner. Now tap the stacked boxes in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Precipitation. This will bring up a map with a precipitation radar that shows the forecast for the next hour. You can zoom in and out to adjust the area of the map you want to look at. If you zoom out, you'll see the forecast over the next 12 hours. The moving colored areas indicate where precipitation is expected. The legend in the top left corner explains what the different colors on the radar mean. The black bar at the bottom indicates the time. You can pause the radar playback by tapping pause. Slide the black circle to a specific time to see what the forecasted precipitation will be. This radar map, along with stay dry notifications, will help you stay up to date with expected rain and snowfall in your area. Check out our tutorial on how to set up stay dry notifications next. That's all it takes to find and use the iPhone Precipitation Map. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.